In this clip, we'll study the machine learning pipeline in Spark in some more detail. You can think of the ML pipeline as having two distinct stages. If this is the entire machine learning workflow, then you can consider that we have one pipeline stage for the training phase of our machine learning model and another pipeline stage for the prediction phase of our model. The training stage and the prediction stage are distinct phases and will have a slightly different combination of estimators and transformers, as we'll see in a bit. Let's start off by looking at the training pipeline for our machine learning model. The raw data that we're going to work on are reviews that may have been left by customers on a site such as Yelp or Rotten Tomatoes. These reviews are then passed into a tokenizer, which will split up these reviews into words. These words may be passed into some kind of hashing transformers, which will then convert these to feature vectors, which will serve as inputs to our machine learning model. Let's say that we want to figure out whether our reviews are positive or negative. For this, we decide to use the logistic regression algorithm. These feature vectors will serve as training data for our logistic regression algorithm, and the result of training will be a logistic regression model. In the training pipeline, the tokenizer is a transformer stage. You feed a data frame of reviews in, and you get a data frame of words out. The hashing TF stage is also a transformer. You get a data frame of words in, and at the result, you get a data frame of feature vectors. The final stage in the training pipeline, where we apply the logistic regression model, is the estimator stage. The input to this is a data frame of feature vectors, and the output is a transformer, the logistic regression model that we use for predictions. These form all the stages in our training pipeline for sentiment analysis. Remember that the transformer stage is called the dot transform method, and the estimator stage calls the dot fit method. The end result of the training pipeline is a transformer, the logistic regression model that we use for prediction. Now that we've understood the training pipeline, we can move on to a discussion of the prediction pipeline. At this point, we have a fully trained logistic regression machine learning model. The prediction data that we pass into our fully trained model for prediction goes through the same stages as the training data. The reviews are first tokenized into words and then hashed to form feature vectors. These feature vectors are then passed to our logistic regression model, which will then give us predictions at its output. In this prediction pipeline, all of these three stages are transformer stages. Reviews are transformed to words, words are transformed to feature vectors, and feature vectors are transformed to a data frame which holds the sentiment predictions. You can tune the estimators and transformers that are used in the training pipeline as well as in the prediction pipeline using the same unified parameter API. This is hyperparameter tuning.